Your competition's testing 5 new ads every day. Meanwhile, you are stuck waiting on a creator who ghosted you 3 days ago. This ends right now. I'm about to show you how to never depend on other people again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pump out professional ad creatives in minutes. No waiting, no production costs, just ads ready to test today. I'm Vasil, and in the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use to create professional ad creatives for brands or agencies. You'll see the tools, the workflow, and by the end of the video, you'll be able to create professional creatives yourself.
Okay, so I've been stopped like 4 times today asking about this bag. It's from Charles & Keith. The color blocking is just chef's kiss. It looks way more expensive than it is, fits all my stuff, and honestly, best impulse buy I've made all year. You need this.
All right, so before you touch any tools, you gotta have an idea of what the ad's about and what formats you want the ad to be in. For example, I chose UGC format, and here's the product I'll be making the ad for. If you own the agency, not a brand, you can choose a different style like talking head, for example. Okay, so any good creative starts with a good script. There are many ways you can write scripts. You can write the script yourself, you can use AI to write scripts, or what I did here, I used my system that researches competitors ads library, social media pages. Then it combines everything together, analyzes it, so it finds out what works best for competitors and gives you suggestions based on what you're selling. So for example, I have 4 scripts here, like really short ones, but it should be good enough. So when you have scripts, you can move to the next step, which is image generation. To start, I'll be using NanoBanana on Kie API. Why? Because it's cheap, it doesn't have monthly credit limits, but you can use any tool you want, for example, like Hixfield or native Gemini NanoBanana. Okay, so what we need is the image prompt. The easiest way to go about it is by using my prompt library, which has examples of image and video generation prompts I use. For this, I'll just open ChatGPT. I'll paste in my template, which is a JSON prompt. So I just paste in my template and ask it to change it a little bit. For example, for this ad, I want the model to be a young girl sitting in a bedroom on the bed. And I want her to wear a white t-shirt. So I'll just send it to ChatGPT, and it provides us with the image generation tool we can use. By the way, I'll give you all the prompts at the end of the video. So I'll just go to NanoBanana, paste my image generation prompt. I want the aspect ratio to be 9:16, 2K. And now we just wait. Might not get the result you wanted. There can be some mistakes, like up here. So in that case, you just hit run, adjust the prompt. If you want the vibe to be, for example, like evening, maybe night, you can adjust that in ChatGPT. But yeah, I'll stick with the early morning, which we had before. Okay, I think this looks good. I'll just save it to my desktop. And the next step is I want this girl to hold the product. So I'll just upload the image here. Now I'll upload the product image as well. There we go, and I'll use my templated prompt again. I'll give you all the prompts at the end, remember. Yeah, so now we have a great image, which I think is awesome. Now I'll simply swap the characters, swap the backgrounds, swap the scenes, environment, and get a bunch of different scene variations. Now when you know how to generate scenes in images, it's time to move to video generation and actually get those images animated. Okay, so my plan is to generate a couple of videos and stitch them together. That way we can have a longer ad, because right now the limit on VO3, which is the model I use for video generation, is 8 seconds. So by generating like 2 to 3 videos, stitching them together, we can have longer ad creatives. And again, we need a video generation prompt. I'll just use my template. I don't think I need to adjust it because it's kind of universal, works with most images. We have a dialog here, which I can paste from the script, like this one, right here. Adjust the settings, I'll choose 9:16. Upload the image we generated earlier, and click on generate. By the way, a quick tip, if you don't want to generate videos one by one, because it takes some time, what I usually do is I open like 5 tabs, I just duplicate them, and I paste in the same prompt. I adjust the dialog, I choose the same settings for the video, upload the same picture, and that way you can generate 5 videos at the same time. So you generate like 5 to 10 videos at the same time. That way it's quicker than just waiting one by one for each video to generate. Well, here as well we can have some glitches, like for example, she's blinking, like kind of weird here, and then there's just backloading. In that case, you can just generate a new video. It's all good. It's not a tragedy. Okay, now we're doing the second script, which is this dialog first, and this one as well. Upload the model image as well here, 9:16, and generate. And the first video is ready. I'll just review it. Yeah, I like it. Now it's just a matter of adjusting the angles, using different emotions, different speaking styles. You can swap the environment, you can swap the model, you can have a different person in each video, in each ad creative. Then generate all the videos and stitch them together, which we're doing in the next step. Okay, so for stitching and editing, I use CapCut because it's simple, it's easy to use. I'm not a video editing professional, so that works fine to me. Sometimes you have those glitches. Not really glitches, just parts you don't need. You can simply cut them off here. I also want the transition to be smoother here. Yeah, again, just cut this part off and you basically have a video ready. But I feel like doing some color correction as well, so let's get into it. So I'll select both videos. I'll go to adjust and I'll drop the temperature, bump up saturation a bit, decrease exposure, like a professional. Let's be professionals. Sharpness, I'll go with 27. And there you go, the final video is exported. Well, it's in the process of exporting, and it will be ready to be published in a second. So now you know how to generate ad creatives using AI. You know how to come up with scripts, generating images, and generating videos. Think about how much money and effort it will take you to get the video like this. You have to send the creator a product, you have to pay them a lot sometimes. You have to wait for them to record, wait till they're in the right mood to record. They may ghost you for a couple of days. But you just got this ad generated in minutes, and it costs you like $2. If this helped, make sure you're following me and find out how AI can help you scale your business. Check out my Instagram as well. Thanks for watching and go make that video real.